Hey everyone, welcome back. Let's write some more Leetcode today. Today we are solving first unique character in a string. So the problem states that given a string S, find the first non-repeating character in it and return its index. If it does not exist, return -1. So if we look over here, if the string is Leetcode, then the output would be 0 because L is the first non-repeating character in it. If we look over here, the answer will be 2 because index 0, index 1, index 2, V, and V is the only letter in the entire string. So the output will be 2. And if it does not exist, return -1, like in this example over here. So A appears twice and B both appear twice, so that is return -1. So what is the best way to solve this? I think the best way to approach this problem is to make a hash map of each string, and then we will loop through the string, and then whenever a key in the hash map is the value of 1, then we will return that index. So in this string, we will make a hash map. We can use the counter method in Python, which I'll show you guys later in the coding part. So we will make a hash map, and then we will loop through. So then we get to this letter L, it's 1, and the value is 1. So the answer here would be 0. And then we see this string, right? L, what's the value of L? The value of L is 2. We look at O. The value of O is also 2. The value of then we look at the value of V. What is the value of V? The value of V is 1. And what is the index at V? Is 2. So then we will return 2. And then this one we'll loop through A. Value is 2. Iterate to A again. Once again, value is 2. And then now we're at B. Value is 2. B, value is 2. And if you're at the end of string and we still cannot find a key with a value of 1, then we would just return -1. So now let's get to the coding part. So first we're going to make a hash map. We'll call a count. That will show the number of instances of letters and the times it appears. So we're going to loop through index and char. Char is the key and index is the value in the string. So if the key of the hash map, which would be char, if that is equal to 1, then we would just return the index. So return the index, right? Yeah, we'll return the index. And if we are till the end and we still have not found the solution, then just return -1. And the time complexity would be O of n because it depends on the length of the string would determine how long this problem would take. But the space is constant O of 1 because there are only 26 letters in the alphabet. So the count would never go past 26. And let's see if it works. Okay, perfect. Yeah, so thank you all for watching. I hope this was helpful. If you guys have any other comments, questions, or concerns about this problem, please leave it down in the comment section below. And I hope to see you all again soon.